This is the iPhone 14. We got it in this new shade of blue. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, but we'll take a closer look at the phone in a sec. This year, Apple managed to include even less in here, where there's no longer a SIM tool included, with Apple reminding us that all the new iPhones no longer come with a physical SIM slot. At first glance, it looks pretty much identical to last year's iPhone, but there are some subtle changes that can help you spot the difference. For one, that physical SIM slot on the left side is no longer there, which may actually help out with water resistance. The second difference is on the right side of the phone. The little window for 5G is actually a bit longer than it was before, probably to help out with that SOS via satellite feature. And then the camera system is a little bigger as well. With the new 12 megapixel main camera, it definitely protrudes out a bit more, and there's also a new True Tone flash. But outside of that, it's a relatively minor upgrade for the standard iPhone 14. All right, we've got the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro in, and here it is, the iPhone 12 in blue. You've got the new design, kind of like the iPhone 5 back in the day, with these flat edges compared to the rounded edges that we've seen on iPhones since 2014. On the left side, you have the vibrate switch and volume buttons as always, along with the SIM tray. On the right side, there's the power button, and then this thing right here. It's actually to help get a better 5G connection. Let's see what else is inside the box. You've got your typical paperwork, and then you have a Lightning to USB-C cable inside of the box. That is it. There is no power adapter, so if you want one that works with the included USB-C cable, that's going to cost you $19. The back of the phone looks mostly the same as last year's iPhone 11, but through magnetic viewing film, it's a different story. And that's because there are a bunch of magnets underneath for a feature that Apple is calling MagSafe that allows you to clip compatible accessories right onto the back of the phone.
Redmi 12 unboxing. Does this look familiar?
Yes.